And just like that, another year has gone by. And if we're being honest, for a lot of us, it slipped past faster than we expected. And maybe we didn't achieve as much as we hoped. Every January, we all make promises to ourselves. I'm going to learn more. I'm going to build new skills. I'm going to take my career to the next level. And usually, life gets in the way. Not because we're lazy, not because we don't care, but because we set huge goals without building the tiny habits needed to reach them. So this year, we're doing things differently. 2026 is going to be a year of learning. A year of small, consistent, bite-sized steps that create massive long-term change. A year where you don't just set New Year's resolutions, you follow through on them. You grow, you commit, you build the skill set that future you will thank you for. And to help you do exactly that, we're releasing our courses for free right here on the Industry Portal's YouTube channel. Structured, high-quality learning you can follow in just 10 to 15 minutes a day. Because skills compound, consistency compounds, and when you show up for yourself every single day, even just for 10 minutes, the results are huge. Starting on the 1st of January, we kick off a brand new series of free training programs designed to build real, career-boosting skills throughout the year. And the very first course is one of the most requested. We're starting with our complete Python Bootcamp. It begins on the 1st of January. Every weekday, Monday to Friday, we post a new lesson 8 AM without fail. We're also releasing our Alteryx course. Every Tuesday and Thursday, a new video drops at midday, 12 PM. And then for any banking and finance enthusiasts, we're also releasing our liquidity management course with a new video posted every Sunday, 10 AM. Every course, all right here on this channel. We're doing this because learning shouldn't feel overwhelming. You shouldn't need to pay to get started. And small, daily improvements can genuinely change where you end up in a year. 10 minutes a day isn't much, but over time, it's everything. So if you want to join our first set of courses, subscribe, turn on notifications, share this video with a friend who also wants to learn new skills in the new year, and get ready, because we start together on the 1st of January. Let's make 2026 the year you level up. I'll see you on the other side.